Hey guys, in this video I'll be doing the camera review of Xiaomi's Redmi Note 5. So this is how the interface looks like. It's pretty straightforward and has got a very easy to understand interface, and these are some of the sample shots that are taken under bright sunlight. So as you can see, the images turned out really good and the colors look very natural. And coming to artificial lighting conditions, the pictures were still impressive with good amount of detail and they were really sharp as well. Then moving on to low lighting conditions, if you look at this picture, it managed pretty well and the noise is still present, but this probably is the best result that I've seen on a 10,000 rupee smartphone. So very impressed with the low light performance of the Redmi Note 5. Next, moving to the selfie camera, the pictures taken were very natural and these pictures are taken indoors and they turned out really well. And on the front, Xiaomi included a flash just like the one we have seen on the Redmi Y1, and it works in a similar fashion. Whenever you move into a dark environment where there is little to no light, the ambient light sensor fires up the flash and we get some decent shots with it. Of course, there will be a lot of noise present as you can see, but it can be very helpful when you want to take a selfie in really poor lighting conditions. And then moving on to the video side of things, it captures good video as long as it is shot in good lighting conditions, and there is no image stabilization present in the Redmi Note 5 and we probably shouldn't be expecting it. The autofocus works quite well. It isn't super quick, it takes about half a second, but it does a pretty good job of focusing. So the overall performance in terms of video is quite good. So to sum it up, the Redmi Note 5 has definitely improved in the camera department when compared to the Redmi Note 4, which is crucial because camera isn't Xiaomi's strongest feature until now. So if camera is your priority, then definitely consider getting the Redmi Note 5. So that's pretty much it for the video guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure to hit the like button and also share this video, it will be very helpful. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave links in this video's description. If you have any questions, please do leave them in the comment section down below. I'll be happy to answer them. And if you're interested in more videos like this, definitely make sure to subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks a lot for watching.